Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and thank you for clicking in. So today I'm bringing you this nice equation that I want us to solve for the value of x when given x to the power of 8 minus x to the power of 2 over x to the power of 4 minus x to the power of 2 is equals to 7. So what is the value of x? So before we begin, remember to like, subscribe, and comment down below. So our first step will begin by our numerator here, whereby we are factoring out x squared. So x squared into x to the power of 6 minus 1 bracket over, for our denominator, we are also factoring out x squared. So x to the power of 4 divided by x squared, this is x squared, minus x squared divided by x squared, this is 1, bracket is equals to 7. So this and this will cancel out, and x to the power of 6 minus 1 over x squared minus 1, so bracket is equals to 7. So our next step, x to the power of 6, we can write it as x to the power of 2, all this to the power of 3, minus 1 over x to the power of 2 minus 1 is equals to 7. So for our case here, this one, we can cube it. So 1 cubed is 1. So for our numerator, so this is our numerator, we can use this cubic principle, whereby if you have a cubed minus b cubed is equals to a minus b bracket into a squared plus ab plus b squared bracket. So we are going to express this into this form, where our a is equals to x squared, this one here, our b is equals to 1. So for our numerator, x squared minus 1 bracket into x to the power of 4. So this is x squared. So x squared then squared. So this gives us x to the power of 4 plus ab. So this will give us a squared plus 1 squared bracket over our denominator x squared minus 1 is equals to 7. So this and this will cancel, and x to the power of 4 plus x squared plus 1 is equals to 7. Next step is to bring this 7 to our left hand side. So x to the power of 4 plus x squared plus 1 minus 7 is equals to 0. So 4 to the x to the power of 4 plus x squared minus 6 is equals to 0, right? Our next step, x to the power of 4 plus, so x squared, we can present it as 3x squared minus 2x squared. So this gives us x squared minus 6 is equals to 0. So for this term here, we are going to factor out x squared. So x to the power of 4 divided by x squared, this is x squared plus 3x squared divided by x squared, this is 3 bracket, and for this term here we are going to factor out negative 2. So into bracket 2x squared divided by 2, this gives us x squared minus 6 divided by 2, this gives us, so this is positive 3 bracket is equals to 0, right? So x squared plus 3 is common, we are going to pick 1, x squared plus 3 bracket, then pick what is left outside the bracket. So this is x squared minus 2 bracket is equals to 0. So we'll have two solutions. We shall equate this with 0 and equate this with 0. X squared plus 3 is equals to 0. X squared minus 2 is equals to 0. So to get the value of x, x squared is equals to negative 3. So we shall square root this side and square root this side as well. So this square will cancel with the square root, x is equals to the square root of 3 times the square root of -1. So x is equals to plus or minus the square root of 3. The square root of -1 is imaginary. So x is equals to square root 3 imaginary, and the second value of x is equals to negative square root 3 imaginary. And on this other side, x squared is equals to 2. So x squared is equals to 2. So we shall square root this side and square root this side as well. This square will cancel with the square root. X is equals to the square root of 2. We can write it as 2 to the power of a half. And this is the value of x. So these are the two complex answers, and this is the real value to x. So let us check to confirm. So our initial equation was x to the power of 8 minus x to the power of 2 over x to the power of 4 minus x squared is equals to 7. X is equals to 2 to the power of a half. So 2 to the power of a half, all this to the power of 8 minus 2 to the power of a half, all this to the power of 2 over 2 to the power of a half, all this to the power of 4 minus 2 to the power of a half, all this to the power of 2 is equals to 7. So 2 here 1, 2 here 4. And if we simplify, this is 1, 2 here 1, 2 here 2. So this is 2 to the power of 4 minus 2 over 2 to the power of 2 minus 2 is equals to 7. So 2 to the power of 4, this gives us 16 minus 2 over 2 squared, this is 4 minus 2 is equals to 7. 16 minus 2, this gives us 14 over 4 minus 2, this is 2 is equals to 7. So 7 is equals to 7. Our left hand side is equal to right hand side. So meaning x is equals to 2 to the power of a half satisfies our equation. So remember to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Bye bye. See you in my next video.